Hello everyone, you all are welcome to Nicelight Media channel. So today I want us to talk about color grading. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use camera raw to color grade this image background. Here you can see how deep the tone of the green is looking. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to color grade it from this to this. So if this is your first time coming across Nicelight Media channel, kindly do us a favor by hitting that subscription button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss many of our amazing videos. Now let's jump into the reason why we are here. Now, when you talk about color grading, the first thing that will come to your mind is, what is color grading? Is color grading more like skin color correction, or color grading is different from skin color correction? Yes, color grading is different from skin color correction. You need to know that color grading is a process of creatively adjusting the color tone and mood of your image, yes, to achieve a specific visual style or emotion. Yes, so with color grading, you can use your image to tell a story. Yes, you can use your video to tell a story. So color grading give you the type of story you want to tell. Yes, and you need to know that color correction is different from color grading. Yes, color correction help you to fix color. Yes, for example, if you have different colors, multiple colors, if you have multiple colors in your image, you can use color correction to fix those multiple colors, but you can't use color grading to fix that. Yes, you first of all use color correction to fix those multiple colors before you use color grading to end it. Now I'm going to be using my camera raw Photoshop to explain how I was able to achieve that look for you people. Now if you look at my Photoshop, this is the image. Yes, this is the image we are going to be working on now. So the first thing you should do as an editor is to do your basic adjustment. Yes, you do your basic adjustment by taking the contrast up a little like this. So this image, the background is already dark, so we have to bring back the shadow a little. So taking the contrast up, we don't need to hide the highlight, no need to increase the highlight. So take the shadow up like this. You see, after taking the shadow up, the white, take it up a little like this. It's too much like this, then take this one up like this. The blacks, take it up like this. Yes, this is okay. Now after doing this, the next thing you are going to do is to go to your curves. Then you come to your curve. Now click here, and click here. Here is dark side, the other side are the shadow, midtone and highlight. You need to know this. Now we are going to take the dark side up like this, you see, like this. So we are going to take the midtone up a little. So we are going to leave it like this because I don't want this to affect the image. So we are going to leave it like this. Now after doing this, now we want to work on the background. Yes, because this is why we are doing the topic, is because of the background. We want to work on the background. The first thing you need to do is to come here. You see background, click on background. So it's just going to map the background out from the image for you. So after doing this, the next thing is to color grade the background. So we are going to come here now. So we come here, then take this green up like this. Like this is okay, like this. So let's take this down. So take this one down like this. No, that is too much. Down like this. Now this dark, let's take it down like this. You see, down like this. Then let's take this one down like this. Then this highlight, which is the light, let's take this one down like this, and this is perfect. So now let's come here, take this one to this way like this. Sorry, let me use this. Take this to this side like this. This is okay. Then reduce this a little. Then now after you do this, now you see it's coming up a little now. Then now come to your adjustments, your normal adjustment panel. Then come here to color grading. Now you need to know how to use this color theory properly. Yes, there's a way you use this color theory. It's going to be a different topic from this one. Now this color theory, now we are going to adjust. We are not taking the mid-tone. Yes, we are not adjusting the mid-tone of this skin, but what we are doing is the green is what we are working on. So we are going to come here like this. We are going to come like this. This is okay. So now this is okay. So now after doing this, the next thing we are going to do is to come here. Sorry, we are coming to color mixer. Okay, we are coming to color mixer. So now what you are going to do here in this color mixer, now you come to this green. So we want to darken the green a little. So you come to this green, then take this one down like this. Take this one down like this. After taking that one down like that, then now reduce the green a little like this. Then come to this yellow. This yellow is more like green too, so reduce it a little like this. Then take this one down like this, you see. Then take this one down like this, you see now. So then the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to come here to this green again. We come to this green again, then take it down like this, and this is okay. You can see that we already got what we are looking for. This is color grading already. Yes, this is color grading already. So the next thing you have to do is to click OK. So mine is going to open as smart object. Yes, my own is going to open as smart object. You can see it here. It's going to open as smart object. So once it's open as smart object, I'm going to double click it like this. Then come here back to my camera raw. Then I'm going to remove this like this. Then click OK. Then I will have to mask this like this. After masking it, so I'm going to apply it on the image, on the part I want to apply the green on. That is how I'm going. The next thing we are going to do is to mask the image. We have to mask it. We have to mask the color out from the subject. Yes, I know some of you will ask, instead of why do we have to even mask it? Why don't we just leave it like this? We can't leave it like this. Yes, mostly when you have not done your retouching, you can't leave it like this. You have to mask the image out from the background. Yes, so we are going to mask it out from the background like this. You hold down your alternative, then you click this place to mask it. After masking it, we have to trim the image. So we click our quick selection tool, then click select subject. So after clicking select subject, it's just going to do the work of the trimming for us. Now the next thing we are going to do is to right click. After right click, we feather it with 1, then right click again to select inverse, then come to this one, you mask. You see this black place, then you come to your brush, then opacity should be 1000, flow should be 1000, hardness should be set to 0. Hardness should be 0. Then you start painting. You start painting like this. Paint on the part you needed it to be. Now like this. So I still want it to be here, so I'm going to paint it like this. So now this is it. After painting it, then you deselect this. After deselecting, the next thing we are going to do is to make the color look somehow dark. Yes, I want the color to be dark, then bring out the image. Yeah, because this color line is overshadowing the image already. So I want the green tone to be dark a little. So what I'm going to do now is to come here, come to bright and contrast, then clip mask it by clicking here. After clip masking it, then draw this contrast up like this. You see the image has already pumped. You drop the contrast up, then come here again. Come here again. You pick your hue saturation. Pick your hue saturation. Then reduce the hue the saturation a little because the green is becoming too sharp. Then draw this hue up a little like this, and this is good to go. You see, so now what we are going to do now, we are going to clip mask it like this, and this is okay. You can see. Now let's group this. This is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. You see how this is looking so amazing. This is one of the easiest steps to do your color grading. So before you do your photo retouching, or if you want to do your photo retouching, you can do your photo retouching first before you do your color grading. Also, you can also do your color grading before you do your photo retouching. In this image, I make use of three color grading on this image. After I do this color grading, then do my retouching, do my skin color correction, I did another color grading to achieve this beautiful look you are seeing. So you can do your color grading twice or thrice. Yes, depends on how you want your image to pop. Yes, and depends on what you are looking towards to. So I hope you have learned something from this video. My name is Arotakbo Ogenegere, but you can call me Moses. So if this is your first time coming across Nicelight Media channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss many of our amazing videos. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment any of the topic you want us to talk about. You can comment, and if you have questions, you can comment it. I'm going to respond to you. So if you're a photographer, you are looking for an editor to work with, send us a DM. Let's work together. See you guys in our next video.